The second biggest mistake that people make when trying to lose weight is excessive and intense exercise. So people try to like push themselves into doing like a bunch of boot camps or running a marathon, and that might help you to lose weight, even, yeah, especially in the short run. But it will also increase your body's cortisol, which actually can help make it a lot harder for you to lose weight. So as the cortisol increases, your weight losing ability goes down. So what can you do instead of excessive and intense exercise and going to run the next marathon in Greece? Well, you can add more movement throughout the day. So movement is great, but you don't need to go excessive or intense because that just stresses your body out and makes it hold on to weight when it's stressed out. So just like add more movement throughout the day, put on a song and dance after your morning coffee or tea. Walk more, like walk to places that you might normally drive to or park further away from the grocery store. Put on another song and dance. Just move, but don't make it excessive or intense. That's it. Good luck.